Hello, today you will discover AWS console management. Let's start with the top right corner. Here you have information about account, organization, service quota, billing and cost management, security, credential. Here we have a list of all AWS regions. On the left, you have the name of the region, and on the right, you have the code of the region. We should select a region that is close to you, and also a region that gives you the lowest amount of latency. Here we have some settings about the language and visual mode. Here we have some helps about the support and documentation. Here it is for user notification, and this one is Cloud Shell. Cloud Shell is a terminal on AWS. And I can, for example, type some command such as print working directory, and here I have some action I can perform on Cloud Shell. On setting here I can modify preference. I will close the Cloud Shell terminal. On the left, this button will redirect me to the home page. I am already on the home page, and here I have a list of recently visited services. I also have information about cost and usage, about AWS health, about security, and other information. Here I have here a recently visited service, my favorite service, and all AWS service. I can also see services that belong to the compute category here. Here I have a list of services that belong to compute category. I can also search a service. For example, here, EC2 service. If I click, I can see the detail of the service. So now, on the left, I have all resources attached to the EC2 service, and this is the home page of the EC2 service. If I search, for example, another service, route 53, if I click, on the left, we have different resources attached to this service. And if you look at the region, you see that this service is a global service. It is not attached to a region. On AWS, we have global service and regional service. If I go back to EC2, for example, we can see that the EC2 service is in the Virginia region. So EC2 is a regional service. I go back to the home page. As you can see here, on this tab, I have a list of my favorite service. For example, if I search EC2 service, if if you click here, I have added this EC2 service to my favorite list of service. So it is here at the end. I put it here. So I go back to the home page. So now I hope that you have a good understanding of AWS console management. So let's move on to the next topic.